I'm here to tell y'all that you are capable. You are capable. You see, everything you could envision, everything you could think of in your head, you're able to do. Like, there's a reason why you have that idea. And it doesn't matter if somebody else questions you, because they're not you. They're not you. This is your vision. It's your vision for a reason. You see, everything big came from something small. Everything we see here came from somebody's mind, and it turned into reality. The oak tree exists in the acorn. The flower exists in the seed. Everything came from something small. I'm here to tell y'all that you're capable. When I say I am, you say capable. I am. I'm here to tell you that you are valuable. You are so damn valuable. We are way more stronger than we realize. You are way more stronger than we realize. You see, a lot of us are sitting here today and we've been through something we thought was gonna break us. We've been through something we thought we could never ever come back from. Whether it was a rumor, whether we lost a game, whether we didn't make the team, whether we failed a test. We've been through something that at one point you thought you were never gonna get over. I'm here to tell y'all that you are here sitting here today as a victor. I'm telling y'all that you're here sitting here today with a 100% winning record over trauma and drama. Give yourself a hand. A lot of us want to be leaders, a lot of us want to be successful, but we're not willing to sacrifice the time and the effort to get to where we want to be. We're not willing to sacrifice the old way that we're doing things for the new way that we need to learn to be. We're not willing to sacrifice. We're not willing to sacrifice the person we are right now for the person we want to become. If you want to do anything in life, you have to be willing to sacrifice and put in the time and the effort, because you can't get to where you want to go with the mindset you had before. That's exactly what it is.